Have you ever watched a YouTube video and wondered, how much money is this creator actually making? Does 1 million views equal $1 million? Well, it's a bit more complicated than that. But today we're going to break down exactly how YouTube pays its creators, step by step. It's a fascinating system that turns hobbies into careers, so let's get right into it. The very first step on any creator's journey to getting paid is joining the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. Think of it as the key that unlocks monetization. To even be eligible to apply, a creator needs to meet some specific milestones. They need at least 1,000 subscribers on their channel. In addition to that, they have to prove that people are actually watching their content. This is measured in one of two ways. Either they need 4,000 hours of public watch time on their long-form videos within the last year, or if they're focused on short-form content, they need 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. It's YouTube's way of ensuring that channels have a real, engaged audience before they can start earning money. Once a creator hits these numbers and gets approved, the money-making journey can officially begin. YouTube typically takes a 45% cut of the ad revenue generated on long-form videos, and the creator keeps the remaining 55%. Relying solely on ad revenue can be unpredictable, as it can fluctuate based on the time of year, the video's topic, and the audience's location. That's why savvy creators diversify their income streams directly on the YouTube platform. One popular way is through channel memberships. This allows viewers to pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks like custom badges, emojis, or members-only content. Then there are super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. During live streams, viewers can buy super chats to have their messages highlighted. Super Thanks is a way for viewers to show extra appreciation on regular video uploads, like a virtual tip jar. These features create a direct line of financial support from the most dedicated fans to the creator, giving them more ways to earn beyond just ads. And the earning potential doesn't stop there. Many of the most successful creators make a significant portion of their income from sources outside of YouTube. Direct monetization tools. The most common is brand sponsorships, also known as brand deals. This is when a company pays a creator to feature or mention their product or service in a video. This can be incredibly lucrative, often paying far more than ad revenue for a single video. Another big one is affiliate marketing. Creators include special links in their video descriptions to products they recommend. If a viewer clicks that link and makes a purchase, the creator earns a small commission at no extra cost to the buyer. Finally, many creators sell their own merchandise, from t-shirts and hats to digital products like courses or ebooks. Combining all these methods is how creators build a stable, full-time career. So, the million-dollar question: how much can a creator actually earn? The answer is, it varies wildly. A channel with 1 million views on a video about personal finance might earn thousands of dollars from ad revenue because advertisers in that niche pay a lot. In contrast, a comedy skit channel with the same number of views might earn significantly less from ads. It depends on the audience, the topic, and the monetization methods used. For a very rough estimate, creators might earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 or more for 1 million views just from ad revenue alone. Small creators might make enough for a cup of coffee each month, while medium-sized channels could earn a part-time income. The top-tier creators, those with millions of subscribers, can earn 6 or even 7 figures a year when you combine ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Finally, let's talk about the logistics of getting paid. All the money a creator earns from YouTube's monetization features like ads, channel memberships, and super thankses collected in a Google AdSense account. This is the financial hub linked to their YouTube channel. YouTube calculates the earnings for a given month and finalizes them around the middle of the following month. Then, as long as the creator has met the minimum payment threshold, which is typically $100, the payment is sent out. Creators can choose to receive their money via direct bank transfer, check, or other available methods depending on their country. It's a reliable monthly process that turns all those views and clicks into actual money in the bank. And that's the complete breakdown of how YouTube really pays its creators. It's a complex ecosystem with multiple layers, from meeting initial requirements to diversifying income with brand deals and fan funding. It's not just about getting views. It's about building a community and a business.